Point light properties. So a point light sends light in all directions, all 360 degrees, from a really small point in space, and it's supposed to represent an incandescent light bulb, a good old-fashioned light bulb. When we click on a point light, we come down here to our properties, and we have these different properties we can set. The first one is the diffuse color. So when I click on this color swash, I can pick with the color chooser and pick any particular color I want. So I can come in here in the reds, pick a red color, say done, and now you can see my point light is shining red on the little back side of my tail. Let's move around a little bit here, right? So I can see that the light is shining in on the red here. Now, the intensity is how intense the light is. So I have a scale that I can move that up and down, and we want to play with that. A lot of times, I find most of the time it's better to have a few more lights with lower intensity than one light with a lot of intensity. Next, we're going to come down to our light decay. And our light decay is the amount of light that decreases as simulating how far away you see light from a light source. So if we had a light bulb on, we wouldn't see it from miles away. It decreases or decays. So having a little bit of decay is more natural appealing. So the further we get from the light, the less light we actually see. So at 0, there is no light decay. It just keeps going on and on forever. So we would typically like to have a little bit of light decay, and then if you don't get enough light, move your light a little closer, right? And that will help. You can also turn up the intensity too a little bit. So, but it is more realistic to have light decay. Now the scale is the scale of this visual item right here. So you can see how I'm changing the scale. It has no effect on our intensity of our light at all. It's just a visual indicator of where our light is. And we also have show grips, so I can turn those on and off. I like to leave them on, and show light, and I can turn that on or off. I like to leave it on. I like my scale a little bit on the smaller side just so I can see it. So these are our point light properties. The main thing we want to look at is getting our color right, getting our intensity right, and then we play with our decay. So I like to get the intensity set up first, and then worry about my decay settings second, and then go back and make minor changes if I have to. These are the point light properties.